Hi guys, I'm truly sorry for this really late update. I know on my last video I left off telling you guys about the fertilization report, like how many eggs we retrieved. I had my retrieval on September 18th, which was not Thursday just passed, but the Thursday before that. I had my OHSS protocol that I was telling you guys about because of my estrogen levels being so high. And I'm not feeling the greatest right now, which is why I haven't updated you guys sooner. I was having some complications. I had to be admitted to the hospital, and I had to have paracentesis done to pull some of the fluid out of my abdomen because it had accumulated to such a large amount. But on Saturday, which was the 20th, was the day that I first started experiencing some, discomfort. I would get up and it would be a lot of pain to my lower abdomen when I would walk, and I could actually feel like, really heavy and bloated. And one of the things they told me to pay attention to was my weight, to see if my weight had gone up by 5 pounds or more. A pound or two didn't matter, but my weight had gone up 5 or 6 pounds on Saturday, which was 2 days post retrieval date. And I called and let them know about it, and they had me come in, and they saw that there was some fluid in my abdomen, and they wanted to see if it would subside on its own. So we waited. I went home, and I want to say on Monday is when I started to feel, just really heavy, and I had to sleep sitting up because I could barely breathe, really short of breath. I'm still kind of winded today, but it was really bad then. And I called because my weight had gone up about 10 pounds at this point. So they did the ultrasound, and they saw that there was fluid everywhere, my abdomen, around my kidneys, my stomach, and it wasn't subsiding. So they had me come in. They admitted me. I was dehydrated severely. They had a hard time finding my veins because of dehydration. And I did everything at home that they told me to. It's just that my estrogen levels were so high that even with me doing everything that I was supposed to do, they still, the fluid accumulated and it wouldn't subside because my body was trying to, recover from those high levels from the medications. And so on Tuesday, I was admitted to the hospital, and on Wednesday is when I had the paracentesis done, where they pulled out almost 2 liters of fluid from my abdomen. And they couldn't pull it all out, but they pulled out, she said, my doctor pulled out as much as she could, and I felt 100% better, no pain or anything. But like I said, this was Wednesday, and today is Friday, and I'm still on bed rest because of OHSS. I'm still having some complications. I'm sorry about the movement. But I have not been able to eat very well because the fluid in my abdomen is so overwhelming at times that I can only eat a little bit because I already kind of feel full. But what I've been doing is just drinking a lot of Gatorade, trying to go to the bathroom, praying that this all starts to come out on its own. On today, I followed up with my doctor. I am 12 pounds up from fluid today, but we're going to wait it out on Monday, praying that everything just kind of subsides on its own. I'll keep drinking fluids and trying to flush it all out. Other than that, the good news is, well, our fertilization report is in. I told you guys that there were 19 eggs retrieved on my right ovary, none on the left, which is why my OHSS is so bad, because those eggs on the left just weren't able to get retrieved. They were still in there and, with full force. So they were able to retrieve, like I said, 19 eggs. 17 of those were mature, 8 of those fertilized, and 4 made it to 5-day blastocyst. So we have 4 MBs that are frozen. We don't have a transfer date as of yet. With me having the complications from OHSS, we foresee there being a transfer sometime in maybe November. She said that at the time of my next cycle, then we'll start the meds to do my transfer for the month of November. So that's what we're looking at right now. I'm taking cabergoline still. That's the only medication really that I'm taking. I have some Toradol for pain if I need it. I haven't really had any pain. What I'm really experiencing is more bloat than anything. I look about 9 months pregnant, and I don't know if you can tell, but my face and everything is really swollen. My feet, everything is just like really blown up. I have been having headaches, which I think is due to the dehydration. I have been drinking, but it's something that with the fluid and the extra space of my abdomen, it's kind of taken away from the fluid that the rest of my body needs, and it's causing me to be dehydrated. But we're monitoring it, praying everything's going to be well, so. But I apologize again for the late update. Just wanted to let you guys know what's going on. We have four frozen MBs, and we will be transferring as soon as we can. So you guys have a nice day. I've been praying for you all, watching all your videos during all this downtime, because I haven't been able to go to work or do anything. I have to stay home and keep my feet elevated to pray that these fluids are moving throughout my body to get them out, So that's it. You guys have a nice one.